Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the process. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install ChatGPT app on Android devices. First of all, what you have to do is go to your Play Store. Once you go to your Play Store, you will find the search option at the top of the screen. Go to search and write. Once you do that, you will see here the ChatGPT will appear. Click on install and it will start installing in your device. It is just 14.67 MB, so it will not be a slow process. As you can see, ChatGPT is installing. Once ChatGPT is installed, you can just click on open from here or go to your home and you will find ChatGPT here. Click on ChatGPT and it will appear. From here, you can just log in to your account and use ChatGPT. And that is how you install ChatGPT on Android devices. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.